Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to withdraw money from Trust Wallet. All you have to do is go to your Trust Wallet app, click on Send. From here, select a crypto you want to withdraw, but I will choose BNB. Now go to Binance account. On the left corner, tap on Profile. In Binance Pro, switch it. Next is click on Swap. Click on Deposit. At the bottom, click on Deposit Crypto. And at the search bar, type on BNB. But make sure that you are in your crypto. Now click on BNB Smart Chain. Scan or copy paste this link or save image. Now go back to your Trust Wallet app and paste the link in your Binance. Click Amount and click Continue. Now go back again into your Binance and click Swap. Once you enter the amount, click on Confirm and go back to your wallet. Click on Withdraw and type for USDT. After all, you click here in these two options. So that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.